Okay, got some new LEDs installed on the Kawasaki Mule. This is what I was dealing with before. I upgraded the factory lights to some LED beams. Helped a little bit, and they probably need to be adjusted up a little bit. But I also installed some cube work lights or side lights on the roll bar on each side. Pretty dang bright for a little, I think they're 6x6s. And then put the big boy on the front. It's hard to tell. It's pretty bright too. I think I'm going to adjust it up a little bit, but now you can see a lot better. Let me turn them off so you can see. Not bad. Just some Amazon lights. Got some factory switches.